Good evening, guys. Today's topic is gonna be phonetics. So I need you to pay attention and to listen carefully, okay? You can play this video as many times as you want. The only thing I want you to do is to try to get concentrated because this topic is a little bit complicated. But if you pay attention, everything is gonna be okay. Okay? Phonetics. The first part is are the phonetic symbols. Phonetic symbols, okay? Remember those words because those phonetic symbols are gonna help us to discover messages that we are gonna see later. So this part, this group of 12 are all of these are vowels. In Spanish we have only 5, but in English there are 12. These are what we call in Spanish diptongos, okay? But these are really easy to use. The most complicated ones are these, okay? We have examples of each vowel. For example, this one, read. Read is a long E, okay? It's a long Spanish E, read. This one is no long, it's short. Sit, sit, sit. The same case here. This is a short U. Book, book, book. Differently that this U, because this has 2 points. If the vowel has 2 points, it means that the sound is longer. Okay? Two. Man, America, word, sword. This is the letter O, the Spanish O. But you have 2 points, it means that the pronunciation is O. Sword. And these are the tongos here, they, tour, boy, go. Okay, we're gonna be focusing this part. Okay, now we have this symbol, which is pretty difficult to pronounce because it's not an A, but it isn't the E either. It's like intersection between them. Okay, cat. This triangle, which is upside down, which is the letter V but upside down, the pronunciation is like the letter A in Spanish. But. This is, our long A part. Okay? Not. It's not the letter O. It's not the letter A. It's an intersection, please. Not. Okay. The vowels are similar. Big, bed, time, do. But these symbols, this one, and this one are different from our alphabet. And this one, which is my favorite, okay? When the TH sound is soft, we're gonna use this symbol. Think, thank you, thoughtful. But when the TH sound is strong, we are gonna use this symbol, okay? Don't forget about this symbol, the. It appears in words like mother, father, brother, others, etc. Okay? This symbol, when you see a CH in a word, that means that we are going to pronounce like this. Church. Okay? Different than this, which is judge. Okay? And we have this one, which is different from our alphabet. Shh. You have to make that sound. Short. Okay. Take into account the symbols, the odd one, or those who we don't know, or we didn't know until today. Okay. This is just a review of all the symbols we're going to be learning today. Okay. To make an example of the vowels, of the most common vowels, we have this group of words. The first one, cut, fund, hard, come, psalm, stuck, not, dot. Okay, with the triangle or with the V upside down, we have this word, dog, long, one, wonder, but, mad, fund, luck. Okay, pay attention. With this symbol, these are the letter C, but works. We have fault, author, awful, law, caught, fraud, shock, talk. If you could see, all these words are with the letter O, the Spanish O, fault, author, awful, etc. And with the diphthong OU, we have many words, but this sound has to be pronounced, okay? Listen to me. Note, found, hold, boat, oven, tomorrow, supposed, elbow, okay? These are just examples of the vowels. Now we have this riddle for you, okay? We are gonna we're gonna try to interiorize this topic. We have this phrase which is written in with phonetic symbols. If you can read the phonetic symbols, you are gonna guess the message. Don't be afraid to get drenched in love. Okay? Why, teacher? Why did you say like that? Because you know that this symbol is, it was with church. So drenched in love. This is the symbol to say amor in English. And we have the letter O and the letter U. Don't be. So the message will be like this, okay? You're gonna stop the video, you're gonna think about the message, and then you're gonna play it because it's gonna appear. Don't be afraid to get drenched in love. This word you didn't know it. Drench means mojar. Mojar, mojado. No tengas miedo de empaparte de amor, en amor. Okay? Let's continue, okay? More examples. You're going to stop the video and you're going to think about the message, okay? The message is going to appear, but take your time, pause the video, and then the message is going to appear. Everyone is entitled to be stupid, but some abuse the privilege. If you got it, congratulations, man or girl. Something which is really important when we are pronouncing words is the stress word, the stress syllable. Okay? This is important because when we see any word, we need to pronounce it in a good way. But sometimes we don't know the pronunciation, but in this case we're gonna have the phonetic symbols. And with the phonetic symbols, we can pronounce the word correctly, okay? For example, the stress word is like the accentuation, okay? We say like camión, the accentuation is at the end. If I say camion, the accentuation is in the first syllable, okay? This is the way we have to pronounce the words. We have this exercise or with this example with this word. It's a musical instrument. So, which one is the stress syllable? Try to think about, and this is the phonetic transcription, okay? Think about it, and you're gonna think about this other word. This is the spelling, and this is the phonetic transcription. Think about and try to pronounce, okay? Pause the video for a while and think about it, okay? This little apostrophe, which is here, is the stress syllable, okay? That means that the syllable which have the strong voice is this one, and this case is this one. So we say guitar, 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 guitar. And in this word we say objective, because the stress syllable is this one, objective, objective. Okay, pretty good, right? Let's continue, let's move on. There are two symbols that I want to stop on it because they taught me a lot, and we're gonna see like many words that we mispronounce now, but at the end we are not gonna mispronounce it anymore. Okay, this symbol, which is the letter V upside down, and there are some words related with this: blood, but, mother, Maggie. The stress syllable is the first one, so that means that the strong voice is gonna be there. Magging, no magging. If I say magging, the stress syllable would be this one. Culture and laugh. Okay, this symbol appears in all these words, and this symbol is amazing too. And there are many words with this symbol, and it is one of the most difficult ones. For example, we have here, is the Spanish Z. That sound, which is easy for Spanish people, is difficult for us. The example: thank, thought, thousand, thief, teeth. Okay, the symbol appears in every word because this is the TH sound, the number one. Okay, let's continue. Now you are gonna try to guess this word. This is the phonetic transcription, and you need to write here, or you are going to think about which word could be. Some of them are easy, others are a little bit more complicated. Okay, let's stop the video, think about the words, and I'm gonna show you the answers. Okay, you were right about your guesses. Okay, pause, apostle, inmate, moon, flood, and thing. Okay, congratulations those who could get it. And this is just the first part of this topic. Okay, now you have in your notebook, on WhatsApp, wherever you want, you're gonna try to translate this little phrase, this little paragraph, into the normal words. Okay, hey, try to read, like using the phonetic symbols, and that way you can figure it out. Okay, hey guys, this is the class. It's a little bit long, I know, but this topic needs to be explained this way. Okay, we need to break down every single part of the topic. If you didn't understand one part, go back, watch the video game, because today's class is going to be the class for today, for tomorrow, and on Wednesday. On Wednesday, you have to be able to translate, or to read, or to understand a paragraph or a message written with phonetic transcription, for phonetic symbols. Okay, have a good night, and we are going to watch the video as many times as you need. And at 8:20 we are gonna meet in jitsi.com, because we are gonna discuss something. All the questions you have about this, please let me know, and you're gonna show me, and you're gonna read the message which is here in this picture. Okay, thank you for listening, and see you the next time.